Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a few months ago I did a video on my switch from Synology over to UGREEN. I'll link to that video here in case you didn't see it. In the video we talked about 3 different methods for moving your files from the Synology over to the UGREEN. One of those methods was file transfer, and I talked about a pro tip to use rsync. So I had a viewer comment on that video recently asking for an rsync step-by-step tutorial. So that's what we're going to cover today. Stay tuned. All right, I'm signed into my UGREEN NAS, and the first thing we're going to do is create a shared folder. The shared folder is used to receive the files coming over from the Synology NAS. Let's click on the Files application, choose Shared Folder, click the plus sign, then select Create Shared Folder. Give the folder a name. You can call this whatever works best for you. I'm going to call this From Synology. Then we'll go down and we'll hit Create. Here we need to set the folder permissions, so make sure your user has the set permissions, and then go ahead and click on Confirm. Now we have our folder created. The next step is to move over to the Synology to create the rsync task. Before we do that though, please let me know down in the comments why you're moving over to the UGREEN NAS. Alright, sorry for the abrupt interruption to the video, but before we move on to Synology, I realized that while editing this video, I forgot one very important step to the process that needs to be done on the UGREEN NAS. So let's do that now. On the desktop, click on Control Panel, go over to File Service, come over to rsync, and make sure you enable the rsync backup service and enter your account information, then hit Apply. Alright, now back to the actual video. All right, I'm signed into my Synology NAS, and here's where we're going to create the actual rsync transfer task. And we're going to be using a program called Hyper Backup. Now, if you don't have Hyper Backup installed, head up to the Package Center, click on All Packages, and in the search bar, search for Hyper Backup, and then follow the install wizard on screen. I already have Hyper Backup installed, so let's go ahead and launch Hyper Backup. And we're going to select a backup task. We want to back up folders and packages. So backup data in shared folders and packages that support backup. So let's go ahead and click Next. We're going to scroll down all the way down to where it says File Server, and we're going to choose rsync. Click Next. Now we have to select the backup type. There are 2 types. There's multiple versions and there's single versions. To move the data over to the UGREEN, you definitely want to click single version. It says keep only 1 backup copy. You have the flexibility to view and access the backup data on any device. If you select multiple versions, this will not work for this task that you're trying to achieve, because once the files are moved over to the UGREEN, they will not be in a readable format. They will be in a proprietary Hyper Backup format. So be sure you select single version on this screen. Go ahead and click Next. And here we need to sign in to our UGREEN NAS. So we're going to click the drop down and we're going to select rsync compatible server, and we're going to enter the IP address of the UGREEN NAS. We could leave transfer encryption off for now, leave the port the same. Here we need to sign into our UGREEN NAS, so I'm going to go ahead and get signed in. And under backup module, I'm going to go ahead and select the shared folder now that we created on the UGREEN. And then I'm going to hit the Next button. Here's where we're going to select what we want to send over to the UGREEN. So for now, just for this demonstration, I'm going to go into my Plex folder, go into my music folder, and I'm going to select my Rolling Stones folder. You could select whatever you wish on this screen. I'm going to skip the applications. I don't want to send any applications over. Backup tasks. I'm going to give the task a name. I'm going to call this Synology Transfer. And then we could leave all this the same. If this is a one-time thing, just moving files over, you don't need to enable the backup schedule. But for now, I'll just leave it enabled, and we're going to click Next. Here's the summary of what we've created. Go ahead and say Done. And now we're being asked if we want to back up now. So let's go ahead and say yes. Okay, we have a successful backup. Now let's go ahead and take a look. Let's flip back over to the UGREEN NAS. Let's come into the files. Let's come into the shared folder. Let's open up our From Synology folder. Here is our DS920 folder. Here's the Plex folder, and here's my music, and there's my Rolling Stones folder with my files inside. Okay, so there's a simple method for transferring your files from Synology over to UGREEN NAS using rsync. Just remember to use single version mode when setting up the task. This will ensure that your files are readable on the UGREEN NAS. So if you liked the video, if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. And to the viewer who specifically requested this video, I hope you find it helpful and it works for you. If you'd like to see more content or you're interested in watching more right now, please click the video on the screen. And thank you so much for watching.